Hi everyone! Another brand new LC300ZX been ceramic coated by PRS. This is the outcome or our ceramic coating. First, we buff all the light scratches before applying the coating. We're using the IGL coating here. See the reflection on the pearl white color of the unit. Exterior. Also, we coat the side of the interior. And also, we coated all the glasses, the sunroof, all the glass, we also coated with ceramic coated. At least the water will just bleed out very easily and easy to clean. Like those bird's flu or any chemical drops from the glass, it will not rainbow compared to not treated with coating. And also the body. Also, we installed Hypotec matting and TAMS wide blue mirror. That's made in Japan. Also, we upgrade the LED fog lamp to yellow because the owner of this unit always travel. So he wants more brighter light. Lastly, for more handling and grip on the road, we replaced the wheels we use the Jaos Cross Tribe. This is the 20 by 8.5, positive 55. And the tires we're using on this unit is the BF Goodrich KO2 tires. Ruggedly handsome. Simplicity is the best. You can see here. Perfect stance. Okay. Feel free to message me here if you're interested with our services like reupholstering, painting, restoration, body repair, electronic wheelchair, also captain chair, reupholster genuine leather on your seats, suspension, body kits, big brake, and many more. Feel free to message me here at PRS and also subscribe and like my YouTube channel, PRS Car Accessories and Services. See you here, guys. Stay safe always. Keep dry. Bye!